breach of a duty of care insofar as somehow they'd allowed the snail to find its way into the bottle. And then the next part, or the next test, is that the breach has caused that individual to suffer injury or to suffer a loss. I guess in circumstances where Mrs. Donoghue had Crohn's disease or something, or it could be argued, or there was another cause for her gastroenteritis, and apologies, I'm no doctor, so if I just mixed up two things that are completely unconnected, that's often a defence that people will use, or something that you've got to establish anyway, that the breach has caused the person to suffer
then the other
loss.
thing they look at is whether there's any contributory fault by the person. So, for example, if Mrs. Donoghue, in that case, had seen the snail in the beer and then carried on drinking it. Yeah, so other things that they specifically do will also be taken into account as well. And it's also been broadened, so it's then, well, who's liable as well? So we see in employment law, well, acts committed by employees in certain circumstances, it's now broad enough that the employer could be liable in certain circumstances. So it's broadening it out throughout the years. So nearly 100 years
of growth.